The Lights is a mixed-use commercial, residential, and active living space featuring over 20 business spaces and nearly 300 residential units. The project's plan includes a 400-space parking ramp anchored at the north end that provides ample parking for tenants, residents, and customers. Nestled in one of the fastest-growing communities in West Fargo, and with goals to host over 100 events a year, the space will provide the perfect backdrop for community-building opportunities. Overall construction objectives for The Lights parking ramp were time, labor, and resource savings. Taracon Precast manufactured, delivered, and installed the precast concrete for the project in 72 production days, ensuring the project was completed on time and under budget. Additional labor savings were achieved because construction crews used the precast concrete stairs immediately after installation, eliminating the need for temporary stairs or scaffolding. The workers were able to move seamlessly throughout the 4 levels while moving materials between floors. Precast concrete's durability, low maintenance characteristics, energy efficiency, and fast erection schedule made it the perfect choice for this project. In addition, precast concrete's aesthetic versatility enhanced the building design and allowed the different textures and visual nuances to make the structure visually appealing. See more precast concrete projects at pcimidwest.org.